Hello, my sparkling souls. Welcome to my new channel, TT Triumphs, a mystical journey of spiritual awakening. So, in the Nav Ras series, हमने देखा था, we started with three ras, that was the Shringar ras, Hasya ras and Karuna ras. उसके बाद वाले वीडियो में हमने देखा was वीर रस, बेबस्य रस एंड अद्भुत रस. आज हम बाकी के थ्री को कंक्लूड करने वाले हैं. दैट इज द रौद्र रस, the Bhayanak Ras and Shant Ras. So let us start with today's topic from Raudra Ras. Now, Raudra Ras, it means fury, anger, destruction. The preceding deity is Lord Rudra and the color is red. Now, in English, it also means anger, gussa. थोड़ा सा negative emotion है. Now let us see कि there are two types of anger. One is the destructive anger, that is for our own self. जब भी हमको कभी कभी फ्रस्ट्रेशन होता है, इरिटेशन होता है, तो हम अचानक से ऐसे गुस्सा हो जाता है. एंड द सेकेंड वन इज द कंस्ट्रक्टिव एंगर. नाउ दैट कुड बी अ गुड थिंग. कभी कभी कहीं इनजस्टिस होता है, वी फील डिससैटिस्फैक्शन किसी और के लिए. ये जो भाव है जो हमको लगता है कि नहीं, ये इसके साथ गलत हो रहा है, जैसे कि कोई धमकी दे रहा है, सम सॉर्ट ऑफ डिस्प्यूट इन द प्रॉपर्टी, कि कहीं आपस में दो जगह लड़ाई हो रही है भाइयों के बीच में, या किसी आइडेंटिटी के लिए. तो दिस काइंड ऑफ itself for the others, it's a positive sign. Now it is also a normal emotion, but it has a wide range of intensity. जैसे कि थोड़ी सी चीज लाइक नॉर्मल इरिटेशन और फ्रस्ट्रेशन से it becomes rage like fire. So one needs to balance and control our own anger. It is a positive sign also, because कहीं कहीं हमको हम अपना गुस्सा निकाल देते हैं, अपनी भड़ास निकाल देते हैं, but it helps to balance and understand our situation. हम उस पे कैसे सुधार ला सकते हैं. So but we have to also control and manage our anger. Now Karuna Ras and Raudra Ras are similar to each other. Now in Karuna Ras, कहीं it's a loss of hope, but in Raudra Ras it is the extension, एक external reaction जो होता है to get angry, to get wild, to get frustrated. Now Lord Shiva is a famous deity for Raudra avatar. Now let us see that activities connected to this Raudra Rasa are using of weapons, hurting, bloodshed, कहीं ना कहीं मारपीट, harassing, बहुत सारे negative emotions है. But it is kind of कि एक छोटी सी तीली ऐसे आग की तरह फैला देती है. It's that kind of anger. So one needs to respect and honor this anger. वरना it is a danger sign where we lose that balance, and हम लोग अपने आप को आफत को खो बैठते हैं, and we lose that own self, and कहीं ना कहीं हम एक normal से irritation, frustration से be destroyed into further destruction and violence or hatred. So we need to balance this emotion. So the Raudra Ras or anger, it also represents red color. Now if you walk in the forest, हम जाते हैं जंगल की तरफ और हर जगह हरियाली होती है, सडनली आपका ध्यान कहीं एक significant color पे जाता है, which is more vibrant, which is so pretty, and that is what red color, कि एक कहीं पे red फूल होता है, and that draws our attention. So that color of attention where we perceive कि कुछ vibrant सा है, that is red color. Now many things are significant in red color, जैसे कि our human blood. Now in Hindu forms of feminine forms of deity, Linga Bhairavi is also the red color, not because of the color of skin, but it has this kind of vibrant energy which it releases, that is red color. Now this red color also symbolizes the Shakti form, the supreme goddess. Now it is very purifying and destroying the evil. For example, ड्यूरिंग पूजा सेरेमनीज हम लोग रेड कलर से यूजिंग द रेड कलर अराउंड गॉडेस को इन्वोक करते हैं, भगवान देवी का आह्वान करते हैं ड्यूरिंग नवरात्रि और वेडिंग सेरेमनीज और ऑस्पिशियस रिलीजियस ओकेशंस. Now, a lot of married women also in their daily life they use this red color. You must have seen कि जो in Hinduism जो bridal dresses होते हैं that is also a red color. और जो हाथों में मेहंदी लगाते हैं तो red henna. The significance is that it is the color of fertility, prosperity, longevity. It is also the color of happiness and joy. Now you must have seen कि the married women they have this red color sindoor they apply, the red vermilion what you call, that is for the longevity of their husband. Also you must have noticed कि red bindi जो लगाते हैं that is to refrain from all the negative energies from ये जो चक्र में हम red bindi लगाते हैं, to refrain from any of the negative energies around. जैसे कि पूजा में हम लोग रेड धागा बांधते हैं ऑन आवर wrist. This thread is for the bond and for love. Also during a lot of puja or auspicious occasions we use this red color as the tilak लगाते हैं forehead पे, और the swastik what we do which is also the color of sacred so these are several reasons in a positive way. But in a negative aspect, this red color is a color of danger. एक कुछ गलत होने वाला है वो संकेत करता है that something is going to go wrong. For example, जैसे कि हम लोग ट्रैफिक लाइट्स में देखते हैं red color to stop, और the danger zone that is the red color. Now it also leads to from a minimum frustration, irritation to aggression, anger, irritation to violence, marpeet, हर जगह bloodshed, kind of destruction. So that is the negative aspect of red color, and one has to balance the positive and the negative aspect of. Now coming up to the next part, emotion, mood is Bhayanak Ras. Bhayanak itself is fear, bhai. नाउ जैसे कि हम लोग फॉर एग्जांपल ऐसे कोई हॉरर मूवी देखते हैं और एकदम से वो हॉरिफाइंग चीज़ें देख के मन में भय सा हो जाता है, खौफ हो जाता है, डर सा हो जाता है. ऑल्सो व्हेन इन आवर पर्सनल लाइफ सम इंसिडेंसेस व्हिच हैपन, फॉर एग्जांपल इमोशनल स्ट्रेस, लॉस ऑफ फैमिली मेंबर, या तो breakup situations या major natural events, global events जो होते हैं, for example bomb blast या कोई terrorism attack, terrorist attack हुआ या कोई natural event हुआ. So this has this unhappy सा stressful feeling full of fear, anxiety कि आगे क्या होगा. We are not ready to move on in our normal situation. We are so stuck up कि एक मन में भय हो जाता है आगे की स्थिति कि आगे क्या होगा. Now in English it also means terror. Now this rasa depicts worries full of anxiety. It is a feeling invoked which is powerful than oneself. Now this feeling is full of helpless, बेबस सा कि हम कुछ कर नहीं पाते हैं, स्थिति ऐसे हो जाती है. Now as we say it means terror. Now the main aspect or the cause of this terrorism is the political, this current economical situation which is majorly by the ruling parties which has power, anger, frustration, fear, all these are the main causes of terror. Another definition of this terrorism, it also means like illegal activities, criminalism, state of violence, all these illegal activities जो होती है, जो black marketing हम लोग बोलते हैं. So all this is also a part of this Bhayanak Ras, or you can say terror. Now this Bhayanak Ras, it also depicts the color black, and the preceding deity is Kal Bhairav. Now this black color, in a positive way, for example, we use it or we wear this color in a situation where this is full of energy, the vibrance. So when we use this black color, we absorb all the positive energy around us. For example, कि हम लोग parties में क्यों black theme रखते हैं? The significance is that the whole atmosphere, the ambience in party is full of joy, happiness, energy. The whole ambience is full of vibrance. So we absorb that entire energy within us. So this is a positive aspect of black color. It is the color of sophistication, class, mysterious, elegance. Now the negative aspect of this black color is, it is full symbol of grief. It is the absence of color. There is no color to it. It is mysterious. It's unknown. Now also in Western countries, this color is used as for grief, mourn, death. Now this color, this black color, it also affects our physical and the psychological aspects of our mind and body. For example कि कुछ inauspicious feelings सा होता है, कुछ कुछ ऐसे emotions create करते हैं which is of full of dull, gloominess, sadness all around, certain illegal activities going on. This dulls a feeling which creates a negative emotion within us. So here we complete with the Bhayanak Ras in reference with black color. Now coming up to the last is Shant Ras, which means peace. It means tranquility in English. It is a complete harmony between mind, body and the universe. जैसे meditation करते हैं, and this state is full of calmness, relaxation. सारे मन में जो विचार है हम उसको waken करके we find peace within. This also is the color of purity, intelligence. जैसे माँ सरस्वती sitting on a white lotus, wearing white sari. Now often we see that this state is when our financial position is good, we are in peace. But the moment हमारी financial स्थिति ऊपर नीचे हो जाती है, that mental peace is gone. इसके लिए this means कि the main significance is the external factors for the state of our mind. So we have to balance our peace of mind. The color of Shant Ras is white. For example, designers use white color for rooms, for spacious rooms. Hospitals में uniforms of nurses and the doctors is white color, which means serene, purity, cleanliness. It is also the positive color, which means full of freshness, new beginnings, illumination, spirituality, softness. Now in Western countries, the bride has this white color, which means symbolizing of new beginnings, purity, a fresh start. Now in Eastern countries, this color is also used for funerals and mourning state. This also refers to religious figures like angels ka color. This also has the effect in mind, body, and for cleansing our thoughts, decluttering, purification of our actions and thoughts. The negative aspect, this color is very isolated, cold, unhappy sa color. In Hinduism, the widows also wear this white color as a sense of grieving when they want to detach from the society. So here we complete with all the 9 emotions now rasa. Now concluding with the topic, I shall also include much more topics, interesting topics in my channel ahead, which would be far more interesting with some tips, tricks in terms of astrology, some remedies that are beneficial to you and the society. Concluding with this wonderful series of Navrasa, I'm putting up my email ID below so that you can stay connected for further consultations. The whole idea of this Navrasa was not only psychological factors but which also implies in your day-to-day life knowing relations and also the people, the moods and these bhavs of relationships. Also you can have this astro guidance to which color is dominant in your life and which color you can avoid in your life as per your astrology. I'm putting up my email ID below. I would also like to thank each and everyone for such wonderful comments and appreciation. So I'm really grateful for all of you out there. Like the video but also love yourself. Please share and subscribe this channel to redesign and awaken your life ahead. Hit the bell icon so that you can stay connected for much more interesting, beneficial videos ahead. I would also like to wish you a very happy Dashera. Stay happy, stay blessed. Attitude of gratitude.